Bubblegum Beads. You ready? Bubblegum Beads Australia.
Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial by Bubblegum Beads Australia. Today we're going to show you how to make a ribbon necklace using bubblegum beads and a pendant. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to take your ribbon. Now we're using a 10mm thick ribbon here, and what you need to do is choose your beads and your pendant. Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to thread on our beads. Now to get the ribbon through the hole, sometimes, as you can see, the width of the ribbon is too thick. So what we do is we adapt the method used in one of our quick tip tutorials, and we're going to take our wire. So this is just 0.45mm tiger wire, and we've cut a piece off and folded it in half. Now take that two ends there and feed it through your bead, and then thread your ribbon through, and then with some gentle force you'll be able to get the ribbon through. Okay, so then follow the same method all the way down, finishing your necklace. Okay. This one's not going to work for me. Nope. It knows it's my last bead. Okay. There we go. So there I have threaded on my beads onto my ribbon. Now this one is a little bit more taut, but there you go. And then what you would do is take your necklace, and you can either put knots at the end of the beads, you can even put knots in between. It's totally up to you and your preference. And then all you would do is tie it around your child's neck like so, just creating a cute little tie at the back. Like so. And then there you would have it, your necklace made on ribbon. And the gorgeous thing about ribbon necklaces is that the only way that the ribbon would break is if it was cut. So it's a great safety accessory. But also another tip that you need to do is to, let's just seal the end so it stops it from fraying. So we just want to cut off that frayed bit there, like so. Okay, we don't need that part there. And then you would just heat seal it. So this is not for children to try at home. It must be accompanied by an adult or be carried out by an adult. But all you do is you would take a lighter or a flame, and then you would quickly, like so, seal the end. And all that does is just seal the fibers in the ribbon so that it doesn't fray. And there you have it, a gorgeous necklace made on ribbon. We hope you liked that tutorial, guys, and check in for more of our tutorials on our YouTube channel. We'll see you again next time. Bye.
Bubblegum Beads. You ready? Bubblegum Beads Australia. So fresh, so you better get familiar. So many colors, so many designs. Get it how you like, you can customize. Check out the site and visit online. Style like this is too hard to find. Bubblegum Beads Australia. Supplies and gifts.